Okay, so this is a version 1.06 Dolphinbar made by Mayflash. My left side IR LEDs have burnt out, and doing a continuity test on all the LEDs, they don't pass any current, so all the LEDs are burnt. I have removed them all, and from what I've read online, all of these here, these three middle ones should be on their own group, and then these two outer ones should be on their own group, but that's not the case with mine. If we go in continuity mode here, you can hear the beep. There's continuity from there to there, continuity from that one to that one, that one to that one, that one to that one. So all 5 LEDs are all ran in the same series. So they're not grouped in 2 different groups. They're all one group. I have some 5mm LEDs that I'm going to probably try to replace this with. Albeit they are going to be a little bit larger than the smaller 3mm LEDs. This is just what I have on hand. I will see if these work after replacing them all, and see how that goes. Let's see. The LEDs that I'm using have a forward voltage of, let's see, 1.143, which, it being a 5-volt device, which I'm thinking, because I measured on one side, so yeah, 1.1, you can't see, 1.13. From measuring on this other side here, with it working plugged in, I was getting about 6 volts across the entire thing. So these ones, I'm thinking they're using a buck regulator right here on either side for each group. This one, oddly enough, I was only getting about 5 volts, so I'm not sure why I'm getting 6 volts. Actually, I was getting about 4.5 volts here. 6 volts over here. So I don't know if there's something wrong with this buck regulator or if there's something wrong with this buck regulator. But definitely they don't agree with each other, and this side was definitely burnt out, so I'm not 100% sure why this one burnt out for all 5 LEDs. But we'll see if I can repair this, and otherwise I'm just going to buy a new one, I guess. Well, in testing the LEDs, only one of the LEDs actually test bad. And that was one of the corner ones. Otherwise, these ones all test good, but I think I'm going to replace them all and modify the case and potentially replace this group over here with, if these ones turn out to be successful. These ones I think were a high power ones, I think, from what I remember ordering them. Whereas these ones are just, you know, the rather cheap ones that Mayflash puts in. Alright, and as we can see, I do have them fixed, and it was only just that one LED that was burnt out. So, I'm not sure how much brighter these new ones are compared to, they look a little bit brighter compared to the old ones. So definitely probably going to be some case modification in order to get these to fit. But other than that, I should have a working Dolphinbar now.